If you're seeing that annoying SSL warning or a big alert saying your site isn't secure, don't panic. This usually just means your SSL certificate has expired. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it completely free of cost. Let's get started. So hit the Google and type PunchSalad SSL generator. Or just click on the link given in the video description. Now click here. Now you are on this page and fill your domain name here. After entering domain details, put your email and accept terms and conditions here. Click on Create Free SSL. Now you have to verify your domain, so here you see two files. Just download and upload to your cPanel. As my hosting is on GoDaddy, I go to GoDaddy and sign in my account. Click on Web Hosting Manage. Click on cPanel. Go to File Manager. Here select Public HTML folder and create folder as I created in this video. Now load the files you downloaded previously. Get back to the site and check whether your file loading process is done successfully. After confirming, click on Verify Domain and wait couple of seconds. As you see now, SSL certificate is generated. Just keep in mind, this certificate is valid for 90 days. After that you repeat this process again. Now copy code and in cPanel search SSL. Go to Manage SSL. One thing note, that it contain C, R, T and C a bundle, so you cut paste code, as I showed you in the video. And in last, click on Install Certificate. Now you see SSL is installed successfully to your site. If you found this video helpful, then hit like, share and subscribe.